Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can get one of these at low cost. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Now this is coming from my good friends at Creality. This is a Creality Falcon 22 watts laser engraver. Pretty sweet, guys. You got a bunch of stuff that comes with this one, and there's an item that you can buy separately that you're gonna need. So definitely let's check it out. Here we go. Of course, you get the operation guide. Shows you how to do it. Bada boom, bada bing. Now here's all the goodies. Here's the laser. Laser. Really nice laser. Lens, fire, air. And then of course you get the manual. You get some testing wood. Quick start guide. You get some glasses. Definitely gonna need those. Pretty cool. There's a power adapter. Another cord for the fan filter. Not sure what this is. Oh, tools. Definitely gonna need those. And now we got some rims. Kind of looks like rims, but nope. And I'll show you the laser.